Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels in an Epson WF-2540. Now this is nice and simple. We're done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the machine. So to get going, we're going to go into settings by pressing the menu button here. And then you can see ink levels. It's the second option down. So press down, down and OK. And from here, we have a visual representation of how much ink the printer estimates is in all four of the cartridges. Black's looking healthy, yellow's and magenta not so much, and the cyan is very clearly on its way out here. So from here, you've got the ability to do ink cartridge replacement. However, if you're wanting to check the ink cartridge levels due to a print quality issue, you'll probably want to check out our test page and cleaning cycle videos, which we also have for this machine. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.